Na-surprise po ba kayo or in-expect nyo po na hindi nag-cross-examine masyado ang defense? Kasi alam ko 2 questions lang din po dun sa pangalawang witness.
Ako hindi ako na-surprise because the subject matter of the testimony is the encashment of the check and it is completely documented, no? So how else will you conduct a cross-examination on this witnesses who are merely testifying on the process that was done concerning the encashment? But that is for me only.
Nagpapasalamat ako kay Attorney Michael Powa na pabilis ang ating proceedings ngayong araw at naging maliwanag, malinaw at mabilis. At yun sana ang gusto natin, na maintindihan ng mga tao sa simpleng pamamaraan na hindi natin kailangang palawigin pa. So maraming salamat for today and we live to fight another day tomorrow.